There's a place beneath the noise where the water meets the sky. Every thought just fades away like a cloud drifting by. Let it fall, let it be. You are deeper than the sea. In the ocean of calm, I release, I let go. Every wave carries me to the peace I've always known. In the ocean of calm, I am weightless, I am free. There is nothing to hold, only stillness over me. Every breath a rising tide, every exhale pulls me in to the quiet, to the blue, where my soul can rest within. No resistance, no control, just surrender to the flow. In the ocean of calm, I dissolve, I unwind. Every ripple of fear left so gently behind. In the ocean of calm, all the silence I need is a wave in my heart, moving soft, living free. Drifting far, yet here I stay. Time and space just slip away. Endless blue, so deep, so wide. I am one with every ocean of calm. Carry me through the vast serenity. No beginning, no end, just the breath, just the sea. You are